everyone, it's Kim Rock, realtor with the Kim Rock Group at Keller Williams, and today we are talking about something every home buyer should know before they start shopping: what it really costs to own a home in Bucks County, Pennsylvania. If you're thinking about buying this year, whether it's your first home or your next move, this video is going to help you plan confidently, avoid surprises, and understand where your hard-earned money actually goes. Let's start with the big one, your mortgage. Aside from your down payment, when you finance a home, you will also have closing costs associated with your loan. And here's the thing that most buyers don't realize. Every bank, credit union, and mortgage company charge slightly different fees. Some may charge an application fee, some may have a lender fee, some a credit report or processing fee, and those numbers can range fairly significantly. That's why we always recommend speaking with at least 2 or 3 lenders. Different quotes can mean different monthly payments and sometimes thousands of dollars saved over the life of a loan. Next, let's talk about Pennsylvania transfer tax, because this one is a big one and it is unique to Pennsylvania. In Bucks County specifically, buyers and sellers split a 2% transfer tax, which is based off of the purchase price of the home. So for example, a $400,000 purchase price means an $8,000 transfer tax. Typically, the buyer pays half, so that's $4,000 of your closing costs, but it can be negotiated in with the offer. Transfer tax can be one of the most overlooked costs of homeownership, and it's important to plan up front for it. Another cost to understand is the title insurance. Title insurance protects you and your lender from anything that may have happened in the history of the property. Think ownership disputes, unpaid liens, or clerical errors. In Pennsylvania, title insurance rates are regulated by the state, and the amount you pay is based on the purchase price of the property. However, just like with lenders, some title companies charge different service or administrative fees on top of that regulated title insurance premium. So again, it pays to know your numbers. Then of course you have home inspection costs, property taxes, homeowners insurance, and depending on where you buy, you might have HOA fees. To show how it all adds up, let's break down what your total out-of-pocket would look like on this Bucks County home. This 3-bedroom, 1-bath Levittown home was recently listed for $395,000. So what does it actually cost to buy it? Let's take a look at the numbers. With a full price offer, a mortgage rate of 6%, and a 5% down payment, your closing costs would look roughly like this. You will need just about $39,000 in cash to cover your closing costs. $19,750 of that covers your down payment. The rest of that is made up of your mortgage costs, title insurance, escrow, and other closing costs like transfer tax, home inspection, and notary fees. Then comes your monthly payment. With this estimated loan structure, you're looking at a monthly payment of about $2,800 a month. So when you're thinking about buying a home in Bucks County, it's not just the list price. It's about understanding the full picture and planning for it the right way. The good news is none of these costs should be a surprise when you have the right team guiding you. With the right lender, title company, and local agent who know the Bucks County market inside and out, you can make smart, informed decisions every step of the way. If you're starting to think about buying this year, or even just planning ahead, we are always happy to walk through the process with you. We can take a look at the numbers, answer questions, and help you understand exactly what homeownership looks like for you. If you found this video to be helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share with someone who's thinking about buying in Bucks County. Licensed in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, we're the Kim Rock Group, and we're here to help.